Welcome to the oldest state park in the United States, Niagara Falls State Park! Here's the falls!
Oh, got another one!
It's so beautiful! Super powerful ngayon! Like super wet talaga. Baba mo nga yung window ko, Papa. Dahan-dahan na. Ready to run siya.
Huh?
Ready to run.
Huh?
Shoot! Shoot! This is, tinan mo ako magkano? 8 a.m. $20. What does it say? Do not lose your ticket. You need your ticket to get in and out of lots. Fee for lost tickets. It is in front of the Niagara 1 building. The Niagara 1 building parking lot costs $25. Now this parking lot which is shaded is $20. Pero kung makachamba kayo dun sa parking lot ng Niagara State Park, I think it's only $10 for weekdays and $15 for weekends. We are now inside the Niagara Falls State Park. We were able to park in a shaded parking lot. We spent $20. We're going to the Maid of the Mist ticketing office. Yeah, there's a lot of people because it's summer. Hello, good morning. Have a good day. You too. So we got the tickets. It is $25.25 each person, and it already includes the observation deck and the elevator. Because it's summer here in the US, there's a lot of people here. The last time I was here, there were a few people visiting the Niagara Falls. So here's the falls. So we're in the elevator, and the crew told us that it's better to go to the boat first and then the observation deck.
Your boat ride will be straight ahead, down the stairs to the right. If you have problems walking, just go straight and make a left. There's a ramp that'll take you down to the boat. Get the ponchos when you get on the boat, and for those of you that want to get wet, top deck.
Alright, go right back up to the elevator when you get up top and it's the elevator.
Daming ang tao. Siguro pag weekend mas marami.
Yeah.
First three.
Okay.
So here's that one.
Oh, got another one.
Hi.
Hello.
Thank you. So we got free poncho or raincoat.
Yan, hindi mo babasa yung ano mo?
Tago ko.
Could you guys move all the way forward for me, please? All the way forward.
Ay kasama siya doon.
Natayo naman nila.
Eh nahiwalay siya kasi ang gusto niya alternating current. Yung isa, direct current. Ay sumunod sila sa direct current.
Ano mas maganda?
Alternating.
Ngayon, ano nung ginagamit nila?
Alternating, yung gamit natin.
Hindi nila.
Alternating na.
So pumalit din sila.
Oo, nawala na yung direct current.
Ah, kaya pala may statue ni Nikola Tesla.
Mayaman yata yung ng direct current. Ay, sa taas. Wait. Kaya dun sa isang railing.
Yan, upo kayo. Gusto nyo?
Upo na lang.
Upo.
Upo na lang.
Upo kayo. Ako hindi ako upo. One, two, three. Yan yung nilakad namin ni Kuya Sim nung last namin.
Ano?
Nilakad namin.
Nilakad?
Oo. Kasi sabi ko gusto ko matatakan. So kami lang nag-cross. Bumili siya ng mga maple syrup. fourth time here, guys, and the majestic and the power of the water. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Parang mas powerful siya ngayon, no? Now, this is the New York side of the falls. This is the Canadian side. Most of the falls are located in the New York side, kaya mas better daw ang spot or mas beautiful picture taking spot sa Canada side. Material.
The falls are 7 miles or proceed now.
So that's the Canada side, guys. So windy! Woo! Spread out now. Woo! Woo! Ganda dito ka tumingin, mama, oh! Woo! Super powerful ngayon! Woo! Wow! I can't even see where am I, what I'm taking video of. Nahilo siya. Powerful ngayon. Siguro kasi summer natunaw na lahat ng ice, no?
Siguro.
Let's rush and witness Niagara Falls, one of the world's largest sources of clean hydroelectric power, providing up to 2.5
Yan, oh, electric power.
of electricity.
Yan yung...
So we're done with the boat ride and now we're going to the Cave of the Winds, which is part of the ticket that costs $25.25. And you still need to wear this because you will really get wet. There it's very windy and much closer to the falls, the American side or the American Bridal Falls, I think ang pangalan. Ooh, we're climbing. Is this the Cave of the Winds? Nalilito ako, guys. Ito ang pinaka-wet namin. Wet ko. Napunta dito sa Niagara Falls. Like, walang nagawa yung raincoat.
Pwede pa yata dito.
You can see my dress. It's wet over here. And this is the only dry part. And then wet na ulit sa baba. You will totally get wet if summer pala kasi maraming water ang rushing down falls. I wasn't able to take a video when we were climbing up the stairs na beside the American Falls because di na kaya ata ng phone ko yung ganong kabasa. Like super wet talaga. Super para kang nasa ulan na malakas. Oh yeah, and it's also advisable to wear like slippers or rubber slippers or Crocs. Well, you can wear rubber shoes if it's fine for you na mabasa siya. But I think it's much better if you wear slippers or rubber slippers, Crocs. And now we're going to the observation deck, which is that one.
For the remainder of your stay in Niagara Falls. When we reach the top, please carefully exit the elevator. Thank you.
How high is the observation deck?
200 feet.
250.
200 feet.
Guys. Thank you. Observation deck. This seems big when there's not a lot of people. So that is the Canada side. So this side where you can see the falls, it's much more famous and much more a lot of people lining up to take a shot. But also don't forget to take a shot here. This is the bridge that leads to the Canada side. You can actually walk. I did that last time and you can watch the vlog, my vlog above here. I'm gonna link also it down below. But that's the road to Canada side. That's why I walk kanina. So it's $25.25 worth for this view deck and the ride. Yes. it is definitely worth it. The mist and the stairs beside the falls. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Just dress appropriately because you will definitely get wet, especially if you come here during summer. Ang ano nila na mautak din, kailangan mong dumaan. Okay, so now we're looking for a spot where we can sit down and eat our lunch. Maybe we'll sit over here. Doon, para malapit sa river. Hi, seagulls! This is our food. Food. Niluto mo ba lahat ng sardines, ma? Dalawa.
Nandito tayo, di ba? Lake Erie ito, ang tubig papunta dyan, gano'n. Yan, mahulog doon. Mahulog sa kargahan niya itong Lake Ontario.
Nasaan yung tatlong Great Lakes ba?
Ito, nandito tayo. So itong mga ito, pupunta din sila. Ay, yung mga finger lakes ito, yung kinaroon natin.
Sige nga.
Yung sabi niya, it will take 25 years to yung water na dito, punta doon, na pupunta doon sa
Sige nga, i-zoom out mo.
Atlantic Ocean. So,
I-zoom out mo nga, Papa.
so, nandito tayo ngayon. Yan, oh. Yan ang mga Great Lakes. Yan, ito yung Lake Erie, Lake Ontario. Dito tayo nagtulog-tulog sa gabi.
We are done now with the Niagara Falls. Since we have walked the state park in our previous visits, we are going back now to the car and then go to the Buffalo area, pick something up there because I bought something there. And then, saan na ba tayo? We're going to the Eternal Flame Falls. I'm so excited for that because sabi nila, whole year round daw na naka-on yung flame doon because of some chemicals na nandun sa earth or nasa ground na behind the falls. So stay tuned for that, and then after that we will be going to Westville. So see you on the road. Please scan your ticket. Scan mo na yung ticket mo. Gusto mo ako gumawa? Ay, hindi ko maibaba pala yung window ko. Sige, okay na. Scan your ticket here. Please pay when using credit card to insert and do not remove. How? Saan ko insert?
Diyan ang credit card. And do not remove.
Processing. Please wait. Do not remove card. Remove your credit card now. Please drive. There's no receipt? Okay, go. Bye. Yun ang seagulls, di ba? Ito is geese. Sige! Paliparin mo sila! Paliparin mo! Yun! Ayaw nila lumipad. Okay. Game. 1